how are we all doing? I hope you are surviving this sweltering heat. Oh, I apologise if my face just perspires and perspires and perspires because it won't stop. Honestly, I am so hot. But I guess that is the price we pay for sunny days, hot, hot nights. Can you please send us some rain, Lord? Thank you. So today I have the Mumsy Box for you. This is my third Mumsy Box and this is the make or break box. You know what I've said if you've been watching my previous videos, and of course you have been, because why wouldn't you? Then you know that I have not been too sure about the Mumsy Box. It's a subscription that's supposed to be aimed at busy mums, or non-busy mums, all mums, any mum, I don't know. I'm not a mum, but it works fine for any person who enjoys the products basically. I have not been sure because although the box is well priced, it's £10, the postage and packaging is £3.50, the actual value of the box has not been that high. It's been sort of like 18, 19, 20 maybe kind of price, but I have quite liked the items in the box, so it's made me torn. Some moments I'm like, nah, dash it to the ground, because I like to have double my box value, and other moments I've been like, well, I do actually quite like the items and I have used them, so that kind of makes it worth it. But then I've been like, well, would I have gone and bought those items just because I like them? Would I have gone and spent money on them otherwise? And the answer's been no. So I've been torn. But as people have suggested, you know, try it for 3 months and see how it goes, and then you can really make a fair assessment. Are you getting a good box? So this is June, July. This is July's box. I don't even know where I am. And one thing I have to say about Mumsy Box is they make really pretty boxes. Like it's white with polka dots, and then we've got this lovely pink band thing on the top. And if you touch it, like the dots are all raised. So yeah, all the dots are raised, and the ribbon feels like something. So actually, it feels really nice. It doesn't come just like this. It comes in a plastic bag. So yeah, I do like the box, and they're very firm as well. They're not going to be destroyed easily. So good marks for the box. I would love it if you would join me to find out what is inside July's Mumsy Box, and if we're going to be getting it next month, or if we're going to be saying bye-bye. Box buy, yeah? Does that work? It would be great if you give me a thumbs up, share this video, you can hit the notification bell so you know when I upload, and of course subscribe to my channel. Oh, and I have got a giveaway going on, so if you head to my channel and look for Pip Box giveaway thing, you'll find a giveaway on there, but it does depend on you being subscribed, so don't forget. Now we've done with that, let's get into the video. This is what's inside. I am so rubbish. I was just about to say I'm so rubbish at holding boxes up, but did you just see it? I did not drop a single thing. Can we have a round of applause, please? Alright, thanks. Because I drop everything. This just says, with love, Mumsy Box. Mumsy Box doesn't have like a spiel that it gives out every month, but it just tells you something about the items on the card. So let's just go inside. This is becoming a familiar friend, or at least this brand is. So this is AA Skincare Green Tea and Aloe Vera Soothing Cleansing Wipes. They're for all skin types, one-step refresh and makeup remover. 100% viscose biodegradable. Oh, we like things that are biodegradable. Paraben and MIT free. I don't know what MIT is. Does anybody know? And pH balanced. What does it say on the back? This is a full-size pack. Natural extracts of aloe vera and green tea soothe and nourish skin. Olus oil moisturizes. Perfect to quickly prepare skin in the morning or wipe away impurities at the end of the day, leaving skin cool, calm and refreshed. An ideal travel companion and gym bag essential. Alcohol and perfume free. They're just normal wipes. They're like normal size, maybe a tiny bit smaller than some. I don't really like the way these smell, but you know what it is? It's down to the actual testing. So we will try that later. Right, what have we got next? Let's go with this chocolate. Essential Orange Conscious Organic Raw Chocolate with essential oils of orange and tangerine. Cocoa solid 65% minimum. Free from dairy, soya and gluten. Naturally sweetened with agave nectar. Organic, farmers, growers and vegan certified. And it looks like this. I'm a bit scared of this because it's not milk chocolate, and I don't like dark chocolate. Oh, it's melting. Come on, what does that look like? Okay, the orange helps actually. I think I probably could eat this in a pinch, but it's not really sweet enough for me, but I know my husband will love it because he really likes dark chocolate. I'm not a chocolate connoisseur enough to appreciate this chocolate. It's not their fault. So it says the freshest bar made with organic essential oils of orange and tangerine. Its harmonious blend of orange and tangerine oils in this bar is both comforting and uplifting to the senses. And that's all they have to say. There were some extra cards in here, and that is to go with some of these products. So Feather and Down, which is not a product I've heard before, but it says made in England. Sweet Dreams Pillow Spray with calming lavender and chamomile essential oils. Oh, so it works. They're coming for you. It's quite a nice bottle. Reflective writing on there. Nice colour blue. It says an infusion of lavender and chamomile essential oils encouraging calm tranquility in a restful night's sleep. I have tried the It Works one and I don't think it did that much for me personally. So I'm going to try this one. It says dreamt of in England. All things sleep related. Okay, and we have this which expires on the 31st of July, which is 15% off all Feather and Down products, and there's a Breathe Well pillow spray with eucalyptus, peppermint and tea tree oil. Oh, might be interested in that because a lot of time at night I wake up quite congested and have to use a nose spray, so anything that I spray on my pillow that would help me breathe better would be a bargain. But hey, you can have this code too. It's FD15 at Creatons.com. I don't know that website, but there you go. And I'm assuming this just is going to smell of lavender. Oh, quite a fine spray. Oh, it smells of lavender and like in a moisturiser. Almost like lavender in holidays? Sun cream? I don't know. I don't know what that is, but I like it. I like the smell. It smells good. So apparently research shows that lavender increases the type of brainwaves associated with relaxation. Right, what have we got next? We've got 3 items left. Oh, I love this brand. This is Mercy Handy, and they are more well known for doing the what are they called, like alcohol hand cleanser things, which I love. They're the only brand in the world that I actually like them and will use of that. So well done, Mercy Handy. And this time they're sending me a refreshing face mist, Love and Flower Power. After a workout, under pressure, riding the subway, at the beach, or even after some romance, we're always hot. Yes, I'm hot now, so I need this. I'll promise to keep you fresh and make you happy. Close your eyes, push the button and smile. No drops, just a light misty cloud. The sweet scent of a bouquet of flowers. Our secret ingredient is love. So this is like a nice face mist, but is it going to be cooling and refreshing, or is it going to be like a shotgun pellet to the face? Pellet or pellets? Pellets. Shotgun pellets to the face. We'll find out. I'm scared. Oh, that's lovely. It's all gone, but I liked it. That was very refreshing. The only problem is I want more, but I don't want to use up the whole can in 5 seconds. I like it. This is nice, especially in this weather. And I imagine it might be quite nice if you want to refresh your face and you've got makeup on, so you can't really rub or anything. And yeah, this would work. And that is it. And another full-size product. Thank you very much. All right, what is this? Sanctuary Spa Wet Skin Moisture Miracle. Okay. Super quick and hard-working body lotion that locks in twice the moisture, up to twice as fast. The easiest, quickest and most effective way to moisturise your body. Long-lasting fragrance. Shower while still soaking wet, apply it to your body and then dry off. Okay. Well, I am a person that moisturises from head to toe. Literally head to toe every day without fail. I cannot go without moisturising. If you try to make me, it would make me feel physically sick. So anything that moisturises me makes me happy. But moisturiser and shower, I've seen these advertised before and thought, really? Do they work? Surely if you moisturise yourself, you're just going to rub it off, aren't you, when you towel dry? So I am pleased to have this because I would like to try it and find out, is it that good? I'll be surprised if it works. I'm such a doubter. I just feel like you'd rub it off, but I guess something must work, whereas what would be the point? It's kind of a, you know, like a conditioner kind of consistency. It does melt into the skin nicely. It smells quite nice. It just smells spa-like. It smells spa-like. It does, actually. So information says, no time to moisturise this morning, faster absorbing and up to twice as quick as regular lotion. This is the ultimate moisturiser when you're short on time. It's clinically proven to lock in double the hydration for instantly softer and smoother skin. Soaking instantly into the skin, it's light and non-greasy, infused with apricot oil and avocado oil, and your skin will feel amazing all day. And the reviews say, after decades of dry, flaky skin, especially with arms and legs, having tried more creams, lotions and potions than I can count, including those on prescription for the doctor, I had little faith in the claims of miracle from cream. But this is amazing. I'm astounded. It's the first cream I've used that makes a difference. Tried and tested. That does sound good to me. There's a little card in here that says try all of them, because there's actually 3. There's a white lily and damask rose and a green lemon and blossom one, and that they are £5 at the moment in Boots. And I went onto Boots website to check, and actually everything Sanctuary Spa is £5 at the moment. They've got like shower gels and all sorts of things, so I would suggest heading there to check it out if you like that kind of thing. It's paraben free and against animal testing as well, so that is important to know. Last item time. What is this? Senecio Natural Sweet Orange Essential Oil made in England. Okay, so it's a little bottle of essential oil. Just says 100% pure natural essential oil. Oh, that is strong. It's nice. It does smell like what it's supposed to smell. Smells of orange. What was I expecting, really? Not to smell of orange? Wow, honestly, what is wrong with me sometimes? I've got issues. Card says, the sweet orange grown in Calabria and Sicily in southern Italy boasts unique and sunny quality. Well, it's full size, which is awesome. It's an award-winning sweet orange. It's pure therapeutic quality and cold pressed from the rind of Italian sun-ripened oranges. The therapeutic properties are interesting. So it says it has antidepressant, antibacterial. I can't hold this up, sorry, my arm's tired. Antidepressant, antibacterial, antiseptic, antispasmodic, anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, tonic, sedative and detoxifying. Naturally revitalising, sweet orange is a sunny and radiant oil, bringing happiness to the mind, and is helpful with depression, nervous tension, stress, anger, fatigue and anxiety. Try making it part of your morning routine. Start your day off with an inspiring boost of citrus aroma. Add 5 to 6 drops in a diffuser to brighten the room and cleanse the air from potential germs during cold and flu season. It helps boost immunity and is a great support for the lymphatic system, helping to eliminate toxins, reduce edema and cellulite. Yes, please. Sniffing oil makes my cellulite go away. Wow. Who knew? It may help to ease digestive discomforts, improving digestion, relieving gas and constipation, abdominal spasms, nausea and vomiting. Yes, please. Mix a few drops with a tablespoon of carrier oil and massage over the abdominal area in a clockwise direction. It's a rich source of vitamin C. Add to your regular skincare routine. It's a great tonic for the skin. Mix a drop with your cream. It may help refresh, detoxify and rejuvenate the skin. It contains a powerful antioxidant defense against free radicals and helps to reduce the appearance of wrinkles and dark spots and leaves skin with a radiant, youthful glow, especially good for dull, mature, oily and acne-prone skin. Wow. It sounds like it would be perfect for us. I say us, you know, husband struggles with anxiety and things, as do I, well, on occasion. I'm more the stress, anger, fatigue part. I'm really going to have to give this a try. It was funny because a while ago in a box I no longer get, I got what they call a carrier oil, and I was like, what is this for? When am I ever going to use this? I never buy essential oils. Well, look what's happened. I now have an essential oil and I have a carrier oil, so I can actually use this, which is really remarkable. So it gives you some diffuser recipes, like you can mix it with lemon essential oil, or you can make it into a Christmas scent. You can use it as a room spray, even as a kitchen and bathroom disinfectant. Add 10 drops of the orange essential oil, 10 drops of tea tree oil with distilled water, and use it to cleanse the surfaces and the air. Didn't even know you could do that. So I'm quite impressed. Now it'll be interesting to see how other people feel about that, because some of those things might not apply to you the same way they apply to me. But to be honest, I think that probably everyone can do with a good, fresh, bright, sunny start to the morning. I think that is probably a good one to give everybody, and there's probably a way that you can use it even if you don't have a diffuser or an oil. Oh yeah, you can use it as a natural perfume even, because you can just apply it to your wrist. I guess you can use it in lots of ways. Yeah, I'm impressed with that. Looking over this box, what do I think? Well, I'm really pleased that we have 3 full-size items. I think that is excellent. And the sample sizes that we do have, we've got good sizes. Am I going to use everything? Yes, I'm going to use everything in this box. I'm pleased to have everything in this box. And what I'm most excited about is this. The box value comes to £29.10. Yep, you heard me, £29.10. And that actually means, yeah, it's twice the box cost. So Mumsy Box has now turned a corner. This is what I wanted from it. I wanted it to be twice the box cost and to like the items. I like the items, I like the packaging, I like the price, I like the value. So I like this box and I'm going to continue with the subscription. The only thing I don't like is that I've, on a few occasions, sent them an email and they've not responded at all. Like I said to them, oh, you know, I'm going to review this on my channel. Is there a discount link that I can give out to my subscribers or something like that? And had nothing back, nothing at all. Which, you know, I'm actually doing you a favour here. I am presenting your box to the world and letting people know about it, which is free advertising for you. So it would be nice if you could drop me a code that I can give to my subscribers, and hopefully that will encourage more people to buy it. If you like it, of course. Anyway, yeah, that is what I have to say about this month's Mumsy Box. Tell me down below, what do you think? Would you use the oil? Can you imagine making it work in your household? What do you think of the other items? Are they things you're interested in or not really? I'm just surprised. I'm surprised that I like it. I was all prepared to be like, no, this is my last box. I'm never getting this again. I don't like it. I don't recommend it. But I actually do really like it this month. There you go. Sometimes you just have to keep trying. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and I hope you enjoyed it. That would be ideal. Until you see me next time, I hope you live every moment well and take care of yourselves. Bye guys.